In this SolidWorks tutorial, we are going to create this beautiful 3D hook model step by step. We will complete this model in two main stages. First, we will create the complete sketch, and in the second stage, we will convert that sketch into a 3D model. Let's start. First, create a new part file and select the front plane for sketching. Now we will use the circle tool and create a circle at the center point. Set its diameter to 20 millimeters. After that, create another circle with a diameter of 40 millimeters. Now we will create a line from the center point and make sure this line is vertical. After that, convert this line into construction geometry. Next, create another circle with a diameter of 80 millimeters. We will set the vertical distance of this circle center to 98 millimeters and the horizontal distance will be 8 millimeters. Now, create a vertical line here. Then create another vertical line and set the distance between both lines to 20 millimeters. Extend this point slightly. Now, hold the Control key, select both lines and the center construction line. Apply the symmetric relation. Next, using the Trim tool, remove the extra unwanted lines. Now, select the Fillet command. Select this line and this circle and apply a 20 millimeter radius fillet to these sharp edges. Now, we will create another circle. After placing it, set its diameter to 70 millimeters. Select the circle edge and this line, then apply a tangent relation between them. In the same way, apply a tangent relation between these two circles. Now, using the Trim tool, remove this extra portion of the circle. We will also trim this line. The diameter of this circle can now be converted into a radius. Next, create another circle from the same center point. Make sure this circle is tangent to this line. Using the Trim tool, remove the extra curves. Now we will add the radius dimension again because it was removed during trimming. Let's zoom into this area. Here we have a small unwanted line segment. Using the Trim tool, we will remove it. Now, using the circle command, create a circle here with a diameter of 10 millimeters. With the Smart Dimension tool, set the distance from the center of this circle to the vertical line as 45 millimeters. Next, create another circle on this construction line. The distance between the centers of these two circles will be 90 millimeters. Now, extend this arc slightly. Select the arc and the circle, then apply a tangent relation between them. Using the Trim tool, remove this unwanted portion of the arc. Now, set the vertical distance between these two circles to 15 millimeters. Next, use the 3-point arc tool. Create a 3-point arc between these two circles. Set its diameter to 80 millimeters. Now apply a tangent relation between this arc and the circle. Repeat the same process and make this arc tangent to the other circle as well. Again, use the 3-point arc tool. Create another arc tangent to both circles. Set its radius to 30 millimeters. Apply a tangent relation between this arc and the circle. Now, using the Trim tool, remove all unnecessary areas. And just like that, our complete sketch is successfully finished. Now, we will convert this sketch into a 3D model. Use the Extrude feature. Set the direction to mid-plane. Set the thickness to 10 millimeters. Click OK. Our hook is now converted into a 3D model. Next, we will apply the fillet command. Select this edge and apply a 4 millimeter fillet radius. Repeat the same process on the opposite side. Apply a 4 millimeter fillet radius and click OK. And that's it. Our SolidWorks 3D hook model is now completely finished. I hope you learned something useful from this tutorial. Don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more SolidWorks tutorials.